Eric Evonsion, ERIC, EVONSION, Duty Battalion Chief for the City of Carlsbad Fire Department.
And where are we tonight and what occurred?
We are in South Carlsbad on the beach, and a boat with potentially illegal immigrants came ashore, and we responded after that.
I'm not sure how much experience you have with boats. Does this look like a boat that could carry 20 people, or does that look over capacity to you?
It's probably over capacity.
And you said 4 people in total were transported to the hospital. Could you comment on their conditions, please?
Correct. One male, CPR status. I'm not sure what his status is at this point, but he was CPR status when they took off, when they left the beach in the ambulance. And then mom and 2 young children, like age 4 to 5, also going to the hospital for a potential hypothermia exposure.
How cold do you expect the water to be at this time? Do you know?
It's got to be in the upper 50s, low 60s, maybe. I'm not sure.
Obviously, water temperature is different than air, and when they come out, it can get a lot colder easily.
Yeah, well, it's cold. Yeah, obviously, they start off cold, and then water's gonna make them get hypothermic quicker.
And you said you suspect that a citizen called this in, notified the lifeguards, and then the lifeguards subsequently called you guys in. Is that how it went down?
I couldn't comment. I have no idea. All I know is that I got the call. I don't know who was on scene first. I'm pretty sure it was state lifeguards who got the call first, and then the rest of us. We've got CPD here. We've got state lifeguards, and then fire resources as well.
And could you describe what happened with that CPR status person? Was that technically a rescue? You said he was pulled from the water?
He was in the water, got pulled out. I think the lifeguards pulled him out onto the beach, and then our fire department personnel, paramedics, took over.
And this may be a law enforcement question, but are you aware of how many people are accounted for in person right now, and how many may have just fled?
There's 4 accounted for. The rest of them are gone.
And that's as many as 20 plus more potentially?
Could be up to 20 is the number, that the largest number that we've been told.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Yep.